Hey, I'm Pusher, and this is another Music Minute where we talk about how music works. And today I want to talk about using subdivision and syncopation to create more interesting rhythms. If you're in 4/4 and you're only using whole, half, and quarter notes, you're restricted to your notes landing in one of four places, so the rhythms are going to be boring. If you use eighth notes, though, then you're subdividing the bar into 8 equal parts, so you'll have twice the amount of options. Basically, now you can create little groups that add up to 8 instead of 4. Probably one of the most common is 3 plus 3 plus 2. Another common grouping is 5 and 3 like the chords in Closer, or 3 and 5 like the chords in Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the song Train, Chris Potter goes a step further and combines a group of 9 with a group of 7 to make it feel like the first bar has been stretched and the second bar has been compressed, but it still adds up to 16. What we're really talking about here is syncopation, which is when strong parts of the rhythm land on weak parts of the beat. I recommend the book Rhythmic Training by Robert Starrer. And that's your Music Minute.